Looking for affordable wireless earbuds with premium features? The Ultima Boom 141 ANC might be exactly what you need. These earbuds feature up to 30 decibels active noise cancellation, helping reduce unwanted background noise while you're traveling, studying, or working. Need to hear your surroundings? Simply switch to transparency mode without taking the earbuds out. The 13mm dynamic drivers deliver deep bass, clear vocals, and balanced sound, making them perfect for music, movies, and everyday use. If you're into gaming, the 40 milliseconds low latency mode provides smooth, synchronized audio for a better gaming experience. For calls, the Boom 141 comes with quad microphones and environmental noise cancellation, so your voice stays clear even in noisy environments. Battery life is another highlight. You get up to 45 hours of total playback with the charging case, and a quick 10-minute charge gives you around 3 hours of listening time. With Bluetooth, Sen, an IPX5 water-resistant rating, and a stylish premium design, the Ultima Boom 141 ANC offers incredible value for its price. If you're looking for budget earbuds with a NC, long battery life, and great sound quality, the Ultima Boom 141 ANC is definitely worth checking out. Like this video, subscribe, and follow for more tech reviews.